Hi everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to enable two-step verification on Facebook. To do that, open the Facebook application and then get logged in. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the menu icon, that is the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that. From there you need to scroll down and tap on setting and privacy, then tap on setting. In this setting, you will have the option of personal and account information, and just below password and security, you tap that password and security. Inside password and security, if you scroll down, you will have the option of two-factor authentication. It is a two-step verification. Now to enable it, you need to tap on use two-factor authentication. You click that. This will help to protect your account. There's a two method for how you can select a security method, that is the text message security key option that you can choose to enable a two-step verification on Facebook. The text message option is to receive a verification code to the phone number of yours, whereas security key is to use a physical security key to help protect your Facebook account from the unauthorized access. You won't need to enter a code in this one. Now you choose your option. Now for this, I'm going to go with the text message option and then tap on continue. For the text message, you will need to provide a phone number. If you have a phone number already on your Facebook, you just choose that phone number and then tap on continue. If not, you can tap on add phone number and provide a new number. So I'm just going to go with the number that I already have, then tap on continue. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile number for setting up the two-factor authentication. Once you receive the code, you need to type in that code in the text box. There you can see the code that I have just received, and I have just copy paste that code. Now once it's done, you need to tap on continue. Now this will turn on the two-factor authentication, that is the two-step verification process on Facebook. Get the text notification about new message, post and more. If you want it, you can tap on the toggle and enable it. So the process to enable two-step verification on Facebook is completed. Now every time you log in into the Facebook, you will need to go through the two-step verification process. Tap on done. So this is how you can enable two-step verification on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.